guys, what's up? And I haven't done a vlog in a while, so decided to do a vlog. So, guys, look, these are disgusting. I decided that I was just gonna go and sort some stuff because I made some slime yesterday, and I use shea butter for my slimes. I use lotion, but now I use shea butter now. I don't know, it just helps a latte or a lot, whatever. And I'm looking for a squishy that I got from Michael's and cannot seem to find. So it's a little birthday heart cake thing, sprinkles on the sides. So I'm having to look for that. So yeah, also I have a really funny thing to show you guys. So I'll show you in a minute when I find my little squishy. Yes, I don't seem to find it, but that is okay. So I'm writing down a list of things I'm gonna add a squishy. There we go. So I'll show you the list that I made. 3 bottles of any Elmer's glue, and this is a Michael's little list. And maybe even a gallon. I don't know. Fishbowl beads and foam beads. I need some foam beads. Hi, kitty. And then I need one squishy, which I just added. I've been looking for like 30 minutes, but it's like one vlog second for you guys. Extra slime stuff, and I can't go get it myself. I can't go with my mom to go get it because I'm going to a little museum with my friends, and we don't. So my mom's just gonna go, and yeah, I just can't go. And check out slime. I was gonna say something else. But this is some slime that I made this afternoon, not this afternoon, yesterday. And it's really cool. It's a really soft blue. This one is made with borax. Okay. And yeah, this was made with borax solution. My fingers, like when I first started touching it, they were like red and they itched so bad. So, but it's better now. Like I've played with it so much, my fingers are used to it and stuff. I just don't use borax in any of my slimes. Because my mom doesn't have borax, first of all, and it could hurt your skin. Sorry guys, I got it on my camera. Make sure you go check out Presley Rash's channel. Whoa, okay, that is really bright. Oh, 8E look. Is this better? Okay, that's not better. Okay, that's better. Just gonna move the slime over here. I don't know what 8E lock is though. I don't know what that means. Oh, it's just focusing on one thing. What does that mean? I don't need you there. I don't need you there. Okay, we're better. That scared me. For a second, I was like, what? Okay. Make sure you go subscribe to Presley Rash's channel. She's one of my friends. We're not that close anymore because she's always at her dad's. She's at her dad's for most of the summertime. And she's suddenly moving to like Hamilton. So yeah. So yeah, but her YouTube videos aren't that good right now.
You hear that?
I don't need what?
Shoes in hair for no one in America.
I don't need to be rude or anything, but it's just that she uses Wii Video and like the waters are there. But since she like just started like a couple months ago, and she's pretty good right now. She knows how to use it and stuff. They're really good for right now. She knows how to use it. So like she's first time, and I helped her with one of her videos too. So yeah, it's called LPS Bad Teacher, and like her intro little picture is LPS Bad Teacher. Her thing is sorry if this is bad. It's really funny. And make sure to go check out me and Allie's channel. Allie and Maddie. We don't have any videos yet though. I was making me for these weird. For me, I totally forgot to clean that up. The blue slime that I was playing with, it was so sticky. So, oh, it's green now. Dang it. Okay. I was clean in the garage. Go to the car. See my shoes. Let me see here. Okay. Nope. I'm trying to like put it down. Whoa. Okay, I'm going back inside so you don't see my license plate. So yep. Find them. So I'm just gonna wear these. Right. So and they're yelling at me. Brush your back of the hair. Brush the back of your hair. So I have to do that. There we go. It's brushed. So, I'm trying to find my black gloves. I don't seem to find them. We're not finding my shoes. So, I'm just wearing these to show you. It's very dark. Sorry, the lights are on right now. Oh, it's bright outside. Yay! Natural lighting. So, yes. I'm in the back. I want to be in the front. Because Allie always gets the front. I'm getting in the front. So, we're heading to the museum to meet some of my friends. But I'm not going to film anything. Because I don't want to bring my iPod in, but we're at the museum. Wait. So, yeah, I'm just wanting to tell you guys. But, yeah. I'm going to have the Michael's Hall later. And so we're just now leaving the museum. And I'm going to see my mom has my Michael stuff. We did get face paints. I got a cat and a heart. So, yeah.
Okay, that was actually good.
We're going to see if my mom got all my Michaels. And 100% sure.
Maddie, can you hand me my slime?
Hold on, she did. So I'm really happy because I've been like 3 weeks. I had to save up a couple. So it kind of all just sweat off. So yeah, but my mom, and they didn't have foam beads or fishbowl beads or like slushy beads. So my mom just got me 3 bottles of glue. So yeah, it's not really a haul. I thought there was going to be more, but yeah, I got to show you the video of pranking my sister. Video. She's going to play it.
Let's come in your room. I don't want to. Stop. It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. I'll just send it to you later. No, come here. I'm coming. Okay, guys, she'll send it to me later. But yeah, it was so funny. She's like, so I'm gonna show you my mom's. Hold on, my mom is cleaning up the toilet paper, I think. But I'll show you. It's toilet paper we sacrificed,
And we are using it.
oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay,
We'll
guys.
stop for a few minutes.
So yeah, guys, enjoyed this vlog. I don't know what number it is, but I'm gonna end it. I know this is really short, and it didn't have like one purpose. It was just like a whole bunch of things, but it's a vlog, so like just life. So we're gonna go get some ice cream, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog or the next video. Bye, everyone.